Good morning. I thought we'd do a fun little weekly vlog, because who doesn't love a good weekly vlog? I just got my hair done. It's kind of cute. I literally just got like a little treatment in it, so it's very soft, very shiny, very cute. Love it very much. I have a few things happening this week, and by a few I mean the bare minimum. I just love talking to myself and talking to cameras. I'm gonna whisper because I haven't told my mum yet. I think I'm gonna get a tattoo. Just a little one, just a little one. And I didn't want to make a whole video about it because it's just a little one, and I didn't want to be that person that's like, oh, getting my first tattoo, and then it'd be like minuscule. I think it's either gonna be here or somewhere down on my butt. It's very hard to film when I'm at school all day and don't really have a life at the minute. Every day is the same with a few alterations. And this week there's a couple alterations, which is why I thought, you know, make some memories. I'm going to see Scream tomorrow in the cinema, 25th anniversary. Very excited for that. And then yeah, Friday maybe go out. It's my friend's birthday. Friday as well. Oh, I don't want to go out Friday night. I'm going out Saturday night, but we might go out Friday. You know, we'll see. Anyway, that's where I'm at. I can't get over how cute my underwear is. I love wearing cute underwear. I don't know if I can put it on the internet. I bought like 2 pairs of pants from basically Lounge. Do this thing where they do a Feel Your Breast campaign, and it's for breast cancer awareness, and then they give away free underwear and you just donate to charity. Breast cancer is a very common thing and it's not good, and we should spread awareness. And also the underwear's fucking adorable. The underwear's fucking adorable. Lounge, please work with me. Now I want to post a photo in them, but like I feel like I shouldn't. But do I just me trying to figure out if I want to pose in my underwear while there's a teddy bear in the back. Anyway, that's where life's at. Oh, don't ever get a fringe. Never do it. I like a palm tree. Hola, ¿cómo estás? I'm back from Nando's and I'm in my room studying psychology. I'll show you how much I have to do in a sec. I have discovered a brilliant thing. I don't think I've discovered it. Probably was around in probably about 2008. But if you grab a tea bag, I did this last night, not just a regular one, grab like a green tea bag or like chamomile tea bag or something, and you put it on the redness. Oh my god, does it reduce inflammation like crazy. Like crazy. Like this was proper flared up yesterday and now it's only that tiny thing. Anyway, I'm doing psychology. I literally have a call with my friends in, Alexa, what time is it? In 16 minutes, because we are meant to be planning our post A-level holiday, and it's just not happening. And I can almost guarantee that it's not going to get booked tonight either. But we are going to Zante. Do you want to see my psychology work? Just look at that. Just look at that and tell me you don't want to die a little bit inside. Anywho, I'm suffering, struggling, soup making, and swagging life out. I'll see you when something interesting happens, because this is my life right now. Guys, it's been 3 hours, but we're going to Zante, baby. Woo. Very excited. Trey excited. Out of focus. Very excited, but it is now 10 past midnight and I do have to be up in 5.5 hours. Beautiful. Good night. Good morning. I thought we could have a quick little fun catch up while I do my makeup. I also had a dream that I went to school without makeup on because I really wanted to wear makeup today, and I cried. I cried because I forgot to put makeup on in my dream, and I don't normally wear makeup to school anyway, so I don't know what difference it actually made. I've missed a couple days. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that much. I can't multitask. That's what my driving instructor says anyway. I think I'm a pro multitasker. He was like, you girls nowadays can't multitask. I thought that was the man thing. Anyway, Tuesday was a busy day, kind of. It was a very musical day, and then I went and saw Scream with Farah. Scream! Wednesday, I had a school trip. I went to the theatre, and then I had musical theatre in the evening, and then I had, well, I was meant to have tutoring, and then I didn't have tutoring. Like, it was a whole day. I went to the gym in the morning. It was great. You could see my nipples through my top like the whole time I was in the gym. Today, however, I feel like I actually turned the camera on to say something interesting, and nothing interesting has been said so far. Today I have 3 lessons. Today is a good short day for me because I start late. I want to sort out my entire like wardrobe. You can literally see it hanging out, and my drawer space, because I wear about like 3 outfits out of the 400 I have in here. It's just a mess. I don't wear it, I don't use them. I may as well sell it, charity shop it, and bin some things, because literally some things are ripped and they're just chilling in here. That's how life's going now. I'm getting my nails done Friday. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I pussied out getting a tattoo. I can't do it. I think it's because it's like, I'm 18, I don't need to get one yet. Like, if I want to get one, give me a couple years, I'll do it then. That's about it, really. Like I said, it's so hard to film when I'm literally at school all week. And also, I can't drive, so it's not even like we can do fun little drive with me's. Like, I'm not gonna bring you along in my instructor's car in the little Renault Clio and like just have you chilling there while I get yelled at for stalling on a roundabout. I actually have not ever stalled on a roundabout. Anyway, that's all that's happening in my life. I'm gonna go eat some pancakes because I haven't had a real breakfast food in about 10 years. That's a lie. It's been about... No, I had breakfast yesterday. I'm lying to you. I'm a straight up compulsive liar. Don't blame me, it's in my jeans. Oh yeah, this is my outfit of the day I didn't show you. I realised I haven't worn any like actual clothes. Okay, hang on, let me figure out how I'm gonna wear this. I just haven't worn any clothes that aren't gym gear in the last like 2 weeks. Isn't that like sad? Like, what happened to fashion icon Izzy? Anyway, this is my fit for today. We have the baggy Levi's. Then we have this top, which is really confusing to put on, but once you get it on, it's very cute. I don't know how my back profile looked. Could be crying editing this. Anyway, adios, bitches. I just got back from school. It's about 4:30. Bonjour. I cried at school today. And when I say cried, I mean about 4 tears came out my eyes because I'm heartless. I don't cry. I was absolutely fine after those 4 tears were out. It did last about 20 seconds. I thought, you know, we could be productive because after I cried, I did some retail therapy, as I always do. It's the only thing that helps me. I don't care. I bought a nice little gym set from Bow & Tea, and I also bought a coffee cup thingy. I don't know if that counts as retail therapy because it's saving the planet. I showed you this morning. It's a mess, and I kind of have some sort of motivation right now. I also feel like because I did spend a lot of money earlier, you know, if I did something, I feel like I'd feel even more deserving of that gym set, which I'm so excited to arrive. Let's do a time lapse of me organising my wardrobe. Also, I want a tattoo again. I didn't want one this morning and now I want one again. I didn't want one last night and then I did want one. Will I get a tattoo? Ooh. Stay tuned to find out. I'm also getting my nails done tomorrow. Very excited for that too. Anyways.
You the only one I know can fit it all in them. Man, I see in my spare word, now they can't afford.
Alex, what song is this?
Put your claws in the sky when you fight. And give me something I can thrust to.
Bitch ass, I'm leaving niggas laying in the mud. They say why you rap about hoes.
I did it! That was easier than expected. That only took me 20 minutes. I've been putting that off for about 2 months. Congratulations, Izzy. Task of the day completed. You officially earned your gorgeous black Bow & Tea set. Got a whole lot of new money though.
We got a whole lot of new money though.
Told you. I should be in Migos. Done, kind of. I mean, look at my bed. Don't know how I'm gonna sleep tonight. I can't sleep tonight. Wide awake, so confused. Everything's in line, but I am bruised. Baby, I'm a little blind. That's a very true statement. I have had the most eventful fucking day. Let me tell you what's happened. First of all, got to school, my lesson was cancelled. After,
did just forget my MacBook, so I couldn't have tutoring and I had to cancel on her for the second time in a row.
That is an issue because I do want to pass and I can't pass without tutoring because she just helps. After that, oh, Izzy, what happened to getting vaccinated? I missed my vaccine. I missed my vaccine. I was gonna cry. I didn't. I called my mum. She told me to walk up anyway. I walk half an hour. In fact, it was longer. It was like 35 minutes to the vaccination centre from my school. It just was the wrong day. Just was the wrong day. I wasn't meant to have my vaccine today. It was all a lie. It was all a simulation. It was all a fucking lie. So then I missed all my lessons for the day. Went and sat in Costa for an hour. Yada yada yada. Drank my tea. Did a bit of studying. Went to get my nails done. See, this is where it gets really funny. The design I wanted was going to be 45. I just booked a holiday to Zante. I'm not paying 45 quid for my fucking nails. There wasn't even a reason to get them done. So I was like, okay, just get the regular schmegular, good old nails. She did them. I hated the fucking colour. I hated the fucking colour. And I wanted my design. So I was like, you know what? I'll get some white nail varnish and do the design myself. She's cute, okay? She's cute, and so is, well, that's about it really. The rest, look at that. What the fuck? How am I meant to go like that to anyone with that? 25 quid down the drain. And here's the best part about it. Here is the cherry on top for all the story. I literally said yesterday, I don't know why, but I have such a strong gut feeling that I should not get my nails done. I said that! I fucking said that! What the fuck? I was like, nah, I can do it. It's fine, it's not gonna be hard. This hand. This fucking hand. That was my day. Though, a positive that did come out of all of that is I'm now going to Paris in February. I'm going to Disneyland for 2 days on a school trip. So we're gonna look at the positives. My makeup turned out good, okay? If you have good makeup, then something's gone right. So at least I look cute during all of this. I'm home alone for the weekend now, and I just don't know what to do. I don't know how to live. I don't know what to do. I want a tattoo. Probably not gonna get one done. Clearly has not been a great week, but you know what? It's fine. We have our ups and downs. Okay? If we didn't have the downs, we wouldn't have the ups. You know, I had a gut feeling to not get my nails done.
Yeah. I really liked the colour they were before.
I didn't. I hated it. I hated them. I wanted something snazzy. I told you I had a gut feeling. Moral of the story is always trust your guts. Guys, you gotta listen to me. When I say I can't cook, I mean I can't even fucking microwave peas. This is the current state. I literally have salmon, cauliflower rice and some ginger. These peas that I put in the microwave because I was too scared to put in the oven, which I did over microwave. So, somehow still made a mess of the kitchen. That's beautiful. I had the option to go to Nando's tonight. I said no. And instead I'm here with this. Every single night I'm home alone, this is exactly what I have. Maybe switch the salmon out for tofu, maybe even some more veg. I just can't. This is the state that my dinner will be in if I don't have someone cooking for me or I'm ordering in. And it's because I don't want to cook if I'm not hungry, but then I don't want to cook while I'm hungry because I'm too hungry, and then I snack, and then by the time I've gotten to the actual food, I've eaten enough to the point where I'm full and then I don't want the food. Well, I've had a crap day. I've had a crap 2 days and I have dishes to do, but tomorrow can only get better, right? I don't even know. I think I might just end this video here because, oh lordy, I don't even know where this is going. I hope you had a better week. At least this eyeliner is really cute. Like, look, that is serving Dove Cameron vibes. Mwah. Sorry for the chaos. Except I'm not, because I'm the one who had to deal with it. Do you know what? I could sit here and sulk about everything that's gone wrong today, which I've already done. But then I'd go to bed feeling all shit, and then I'd wake up feeling shit. So instead, we're gonna feel a bit better. I have my tea. I have some crystals. I have my journal. I'm burning some incense over there in this really cool, like, thing. I don't even know what it's called, but it's really cool. And I'm gonna meditate. I'm gonna journal down my thoughts, and then we're gonna clean my kitchen, because a clean environment is a clean mind. I can be moodiest of the moodiest. I am a moody gal. I am short-tempered. I am impatient. But at the same time, I can flip that round real quick. So it's a good thing.